This lesson is on how to determine graphs of proportional relationships. We have two plans here. Plan 1 charges 50 cents per text, but Plan 2 charges 10 cents per text, but there's a $10 monthly charge. We want to determine if these two options are proportional. To determine if it's proportional, I'm going to have to do y divided by x and get the same number. In this case, the cost is the y because it depends on the number of texts, which would be x. I'm not going to worry about sending 0 text messages because I can't divide by 0. So I'm going to check the other numbers. The first one, 25 divided by 50 is 0.5. 50 divided by 100 is 0.5. 75 divided by 150 is 0.5. 100 divided by 200 is 0.5. 125 divided by 250 is 0.5. So Plan 1 is a proportional relationship. Plan 2 now, 15 divided by 50 is 0.3. Plan 2, continuing now, 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. Now, since 0.3 and 0.2 are not the same, this table is not proportional. So Plan 1 is proportional and Plan 2 is not proportional. Now we're going to look at the graphs. Plan 1, remember, was a proportional relationship. So 0 texts would cost $0. 50 texts, 25. 150 texts is 75. 200 texts is 100. And 250 texts is 125. And when I connect my points, this graph is a straight line that starts at the origin. Plan 2 now, which was not proportional, the graph should look different. So 0 text is $10, 50 text is $15, 100 text is $20, 150 text is $25, 200 is $30, and 250 is $35. When I look at this graph, it is still a straight line, but this graph does not start at the origin. So a proportional graph is a straight line that passes through the origin, meaning 0, 0. In this problem, we're talking about the number of cups of cereal and how many grams there are. We want to use the graph to determine if they're proportional. So I'm just going to label the points. 1/4 of a cup is 3 grams. So that means if I have half a cup, I would have 6 grams. 3/4 of a cup, I would have 9. And if I have 0 cups, I don't need any cereal, I have 0 grams. When I connect these points, it's a straight line, and it starts at the origin. So we would say that this relationship is proportional because it's a straight line through the origin. If I want to determine how many grams are in 1 cup of cereal, that means I want the grams per cup. So I'm just going to pick any option. I'm just going to pick the first one. We have 3 grams in 1/4 of a cup. 3 divided by 1/4 is 12. So that means that there's 12 grams in 1 cup. What does the point 1/2 represent in the context of the problem? Since x is the x value and 6 is the y, that means 1/2 cup has 6 grams of protein. Explain why each of the following graphs does or does not show a proportional relationship. This first one is not proportional because it does not start at the origin. This second one is proportional because it's a straight line and it starts at the origin. And the last one, even though it starts at the origin, it's not proportional because it is not a straight line.